Okay, this is the Nashville Music City Center, and the StoryBrand workshop is being held here. The night before, we had a kind of a party reception to meet everybody, get our badges, and the reception was very well attended. Couldn't believe there are 214 people attending this event. Great event. The event featured J.J. Peterson. That's Dr. Peterson there. That's one of his right-hand guys. And that's a guy from Ireland that I met, Ronan Ryle. Here we see Don Miller getting ready to kick things off at the event. And you can see, as I mentioned, there are 214 people attending. It was huge. So that's Tim Arnold. He's getting everybody warmed up for the crowd. And then out came Don again to start teaching us the process of StoryBrand. And he actually had me come on stage along with another guy, and anytime the other guy did not say anything right, I had to try to juggle the bowling balls. It was hilarious. When I say right, I meant that could easily be understood. So here we are during the workshop and going through actually workbook activities. And this is Kula Callahan. She was walking through the next set of materials. She was actually great, very young, but she knew her stuff. She was really good in what she did.
What I would say, you know how messy it is and sloppy it is? You ever wash your face, you get makeup, you get water everywhere? That's the first thing I'd say. They'd say, we have a faucet, you just flip this little button, and it just lightly sprays you. It's really a great innovation. I think you'd love it. Your bathroom, you do not sell a faucet. You don't. You never will. You sell a clean bathroom. Does that make sense? Nobody sells anything they sell.
What is this faucet you're talking
I have a feeling Steve will tell you. You're in the 10% of the room who has not seen the demonstration. Actually, my wife said, do you think he's going to succeed? And I said, have you met him? He's going to do just fine. Yeah, product solution. So again.
So that was the tail end of Don talking about the faucet. It was great to catch it. Hey, go ahead, say what you just said.
Yeah, I figured if I leave this StoryBrand workshop hearing all these stories about Steve and his faucet and this magical invention that he has, and I tell my wife about it, and I'm like, there's this guy Steve, and he's got this faucet, and she asked me the one question I know she'll ask, which is, well, tell me about this faucet, and I can't answer that. I've failed as a husband.
Oh, there you go. Cool.
I can't fail as a husband.
Well, I'll cut this off and show you. So 5 o'clock came today, the end of the second day, and everybody just came over to me and wanted to see the faucet. They just started crowding around and asking questions, and man, it was just so much fun. Great to see everybody's interest.
Oh, I'm not interested in buying a faucet, but I heard so much about it, I had to see it.
And what were you saying just now? You're getting ready to say?
I'm just saying that if you don't have this faucet, you're actually missing out on something you didn't know you were missing out on.
That's awesome. I'm having so much fun at this conference. What did you just say?
I want this. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, I'm going to put it to my shirt. Yeah, you're not getting this back.
That's awesome.
No.
I love it. So I'll close out with a shot of J.J. Peterson again with myself, and then also with Don Miller. Don has grown the company, and it's going to be a $13 million company this year and $100 million after that. So they're well on their way.